We have to let them go after a while, but right now you can enjoy them.
Oh, I still.
Yeah, you can. Papa's going to go get his bathing suit on, and he's going to check the bird nest now.
Ooh, you want to watch Papa do that?
And you and Dad can write them down, or Dad can write them down. That guy will go real quick, John. I'll get it all ready.
Okay. Addison, what do you think of these fish?
Good.
Yeah? Do you want to touch them?
How's that?
Touch the fishy.
Oh, how's this right there?
That's a lily pad. They hide under there. Just like you sleeping with your covers on you at night, they like to sleep with that. Oh, yeah, they saw you coming.
Oh, nice.
Are you videoing?
Nice and cool.
Hey, look at there.
Can I touch
Yeah.
it? Can I touch the fish?
Go ahead. Go ahead and grab one. Yeah.
Can I touch it?
Go ahead. Catch one.
No, me, Papa.
Papa, catch one.
Huge one.
Oh.
Yeah, I'll touch him. Put him in.
You gotta pick him up and put him back in the water.
No, I don't.
Oh, if they don't have water, then they die. Fishes need water to live. You go ahead and grab them.
It's swimming.